Okay guys, I know there's a loud noise in the recording, but I can't fix it unless I turn on the microphone right away. But then you're still gonna get killed by the loud noises, so for now, just enjoy the gameplay or roleplay I'm about to do, which is gonna end up very badly because I usually end roleplays very quickly. So, yeah, just enjoy me ruining it. Oh boy, looks like they breached him again. I am not dealing with that right now. No, I will not have that. I know I said I wouldn't use my voice a lot in the videos, but it's just tempting to. So you might see me having my voice a lot. Or, well, not see me, but hear me. By the way, Phil, if you couldn't hear my voice on Discord, this is what I hear like. Well, sound like, I mean. Great. We contain SCP-106. Great. I don't really roleplay with morphs because I feel like they're a waste of money. Okay, he's contained. That's all I have to do is press the button and he's contained. Now it's weird to me how the same button that lets him free also captures him. I know that's just really scanned, but it just feels super weird. Great, they just sealed their own fate. Alright, time to stop using my mic because I'm getting really paranoid. Oh boy. I know this video is short, but I'm not trying to rush in any content or anything, but I'm not trying to rush into content, but I'm just wanted to get these two videos uploaded so that way I could get my voice for you viewers out there who wanted to know what my voice sounded like. I know if you're watching this I know you couldn't hear me on disc. I tried. So just, yeah. This is my voice.